All right, let's go over this last problem. Skills practice page 104, B10. Again, it tells you, let me read the directions. Determine the quotient of each expression, describe any restrictions for the variables, simplify the answer when possible. So we're going to apply division, and you can factor any time that you want, either before or afterwards. So I'm just going to apply the division first. So we're going to change the division to multiplication, and you're going to flip or take the reciprocal. So x plus 2, 2x minus 3 squared is on top, and then x minus 5 to the 5th power is on the bottom. Okay, over here you have x minus 5 to the 3rd power, and then x plus 2 to the 2nd power, 2x minus 3 to the 4th power. Okay, you have some very good news. The good news is that they're already factored. Okay, you would not do something crazy like this. 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3, and then do your box, and then multiply that, and get a huge cubic function, and then try to factor again. There's no point in doing that. Okay, I'm going to try to make this obvious. I have 3 of these. Or you can just use rules of exponents if you know what you're doing. And then you have 2 of those. And you have 4 of those. And then you have 1 here, 2 here. And then you have 5 of these. 3, 4, 5. All right. Now we do a canceling party. Remember 1 for 1. 1, x minus 5, 2, 3, 2x minus 3s, 1, 1. And then any x plus 2s. 1 for 1. Okay, now you're going to look for what's left in the numerator. Okay, pay attention. I have nothing left. There's always going to be a 1 there. Always. Let's look at what we have left in the denominator. And you can put it back together. I think it looks cleaner. X plus 2. You have 2 of those. 2x minus 3 squared. And x minus 5 squared. Okay, so how did that work? You don't have to actually do this step. You could just recognize rules of exponents. Same base. When you're dividing, you actually subtract the exponents. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative 2 goes into the denominator. Same thing here. 2x minus 3, you have 4 of them here, 2 of them here. That means you have 2 more than the numerator, so those 2 are going to left in the denominator. And then this is a 1, and you're left with x plus 2 there. Okay, so now we have to list our restrictions. If you look at the original problem here, whoa. Yeah, that's right. Here are my restrictions. So I have x plus 2. I've got an 2x minus 3. That one's the same, and that one's the same. Okay, after the division now, I have x plus 2, x minus 3, and then x minus 5. So here are restrictions. So just subtract, add 3, and then divided by 2. X is not equal to 3 halves, and then add 5. X is not equal to 5. So 3 restrictions there. X can't be negative 2, 3 halves, and 5. This would be my answer. Double check. That was B10. That's correct. So a good thing about this problem, again, is you don't have to do any factoring. And you can essentially skip that step if you understand rules of exponents. Join me at 1:30. You can even pop in at period 5. I'll be going over the practice test that I had posted. Thanks for joining. See you later. Stay dry. Bye. Stay safe. Fun and legal.